Do you have too many passwords to remember? Well, you're not alone. In this video, we're comparing 3 super powerful password managers to give you options and help you decide which one keeps your digital life locked down and stress-free. So, let's get to it. These 3 password tools essentially all do the same core job: properly manage and securely store your passwords. But they do differ in features, design, and who they work best for. So let's break them down. First up, my personal favorite, NordPass, by the makers of NordVPN, is sleek and simple. It offers zero-knowledge encryption, a built-in data breach scanner, as well as secure password sharing. The free version supports unlimited passwords on one device, while the premium plan adds syncing. Let's take a quick peek at the NordPass interface and manage a password or two. Next up is an oldie but a goodie, RoboForm. They have been in the password world for a long time and just keep getting better. RoboForm offers form filling and bookmark saving. It includes emergency access and secure sharing, as well as supporting 2-factor authentication, storing notes, logins, and even IDs. It's super customizable and has great free and paid plan options. Let's take a quick peek at RoboForm in action. And last but not necessarily least, Proton Pass. Proton Pass is the new kid on the block from the privacy pros at Proton Mail. Proton Pass offers end-to-end encryption, even for metadata. There are plans for unlimited devices, even on free tier. And it comes with Proton Alias, masking your email to avoid spam. It's perfect for those who care about privacy above all else. Let's see what Proton Pass looks like. All right, now that we've looked at 3 great options for managing those passwords, here's a quick breakdown of the feature sets for each. NordPass, best for simplicity and security tools. RoboForm, best for power users and customization. Proton Pass, best for privacy-concerned users and free unlimited devices. So hopefully you've seen enough here to choose the best one that fits your digital lifestyle. Which one did you choose? Let us know in the comments. I hope you've enjoyed this video on some of the available password management softwares. If so, please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel for more tech tips. Otherwise, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye, everybody.